Hey, what's up, y'all? Day 46. This is gonna be another short stream. As always, I'm going to apologize for them being a short stream, but it just is on me to find a better time. But I'm gonna go see my girlfriend in like 30 minutes, so fortunately, is what it is. I don't know. Kind of just trying to enjoy my last days of summer. Anyways, what I was thinking for today, I was continuing to read about this like Git object stuff. And obviously, not obviously, if you were here for yesterday, then you saw that we have three commands actually set up now. We have a run init, we have a hash object, and we have a cat file. So I think the natural next step is to follow this write tree, which is essentially, right now, what we can do is for each file, like say a README, we can create a blob, like we can hash that object, which is what we have implemented right now. So we can do these blobs, and essentially what a tree is, to my knowledge, is kind of just like a recursively constructed like traversal, where when we start off on like the initial directory, we go, okay, hey, all of the files in this, your blobs, we're going to store you, and then every directory in the directory we're in, let's write tree on that again. Reasonable hours stream? Yeah. It's because I'm going to Loyola in like 30 minutes, Ben, so I just won't be able to stream. Or, like I would, but I don't want to stream when I'm with my girlfriend. I feel like some loser shit. But also, maybe I'm not on the grind. Also, did you apply for the Apple thing, Ben? Like the... What is it called? So I'm looking at down here. Oh, like the mentorship thing. Yeah. I don't know why I couldn't remember the word of mentor, but alas, here we are. I don't know. I mean, I applied. I like literally just did it. It was kind of a fucking long application though, no lie. Yeah, I'm not sure what it is either, to be honest, but I saw the word Apple and mentor, and I was like, I would like to work there one day. Okay. I should probably do like a switch on the command, but whatever. Else if command is something like write tree. I know what I should actually spend time doing. I should put these in folders. What is like the general structure in these C++ projects, Ben? Is it like you create like this and then put these in it? Or like, do you have like an internal thing within source that then has that? How the fuck do you structure these? I feel like I just don't know. Like my instinct is to do this. It's not standard in a way? Okay, then I'm just gonna fucking... Is it underscores for file names? File names C++ underscore or dash? Okay, yeah, no, you're not lying. There is literally no fucking docs. They're not docs. Init. We're gonna have to go through these and see what is gonna yell at me. Seems fine. What's up, man? How you doing? So a quick little restructure because that shit was going to get gnarly really quickly. Okay, right tree. I have no clue how far I'm gonna be able to get with this. But following our convention, we kind of have just a right tree.c++, and then a right tree.header. Okay. So what is actually going to be in here? Let's ask you about streaming. I'll be honest, I don't have that much ball knowledge on that. I apologize. Okay. So should this be like, what data structure should this be? Should I just make like a tree class? Maybe instead of right tree.h. Do I just have tree.h? How do I want to do this? Because just trying to think if I'll ever like reuse a tree class. Which I guess I can just figure that out later. So what am I now gonna have here? Like, probably gonna need some structs. Like this. It has like it's just fine. No, probably. So then we can do like private go vector of tree entries maybe. Entry takes in some can I not do that? Is it after? Okay. I'm just an idiot. Okay. Do I even like this? I don't know if I like this, but I also don't hate it enough to the point where I think I can just move on. I think just... Maybe I just make it a struct for now. Oh my god. Like, maybe I just have 2 structs. What's up, Allie? I'll probably leave in like 15 minutes. Okay, this just has our vector of entries. Maybe this will be simpler. Where do I want the class? I just don't know how, like, with the class... Nah, fuck it, let's do the class. For no other reason than I think it's probably just fine. So, in this, we're going to have to include tree.h, and then deep ponder, shut the fuck up. Shut the hell up. Oh god. Oh wait, no, it's... What the fuck is the syntax for this again? It's like a void tree add entry? Okay, it's not yelling at me. Gee, can we watch it? Wow. File system. I'm gonna need to figure out how to get all files in directory. Oh yeah, I am just using OBS. It's pretty literally like my laptop face cam. They have a problem with being consistent. I had the same problem. That's why I'm doing this stream. Just keep myself giga accountable. I'd say do something like that. Like just give yourself small goals or something. Alright, so directory iterator. Like what? Bro, Ben, I'm not writing a fucking bash command to find the files. Brother, what? What would that even return? Like, how would you cast that? I actually have no clue. We haven't even started third year yet. Internship season already begun. Dude, internship season's been starting, unfortunately. Which kind of sucks ass. I realize I can probably just inline this. I don't know why I was overthinking this part. I think what I need need some way to like implement like build tree maybe. Takes in like a file path. File system, file path. I feel like this is something I've seen before. Yeah, okay. That's the directory that we need. To include file system. Okay. I don't need you anymore. I want build tree, and you're going to be. What did they do? Did they namespace it? Yeah, I'm yanking that. Const fs path. There. Okay. So now we need to get for const auto entry. Okay. In fs. How about I already forget it? Directory iterator. But now I actually just want to. I'm gonna have to. Dude. Yeah, I just want to see if this is actually working. Use parameter, what? Oh, yes, okay. So, this is kind of stupid. I'm gonna have to call like tree.writeTree or something. Is that what I have to do? This is like impossibly stupid. I guess I will have to, even though this is incredibly stupid. Whatever. File system path equals. Guess I should have guessed that. that. I think I can just do this. Build tree. The current working directory. Call to non-static. Call to non-static. I just have to make this static. Okay, that's helpful actually. And I think I can just call it there. That's fine. I've used parameter argc. That could be pretty cool then. Could be quite cool. Why is it here linking? Oh yes, because I did just completely change this. So I have to adjust my make file. So it has a source directory and then a wildcard to the C++, but we also want how can I like add the fact that you also need to search? Like I also want it to search. Fuck it, actually, I just never want to make files, I don't care. Gemini. You just append this? I don't know. How can I also make it search the headers in? Alright, that makes sense. I just don't know the syntax of this, but it does make sense. Will it generate no such file or directory? Wait, what changed here? Create a list of all object files, changing the source directory to the build directory. Get a list of all. I actually just don't care. Sure, man. Sure. One day I'll learn. Not today. What? Oh my fucking god. I hate make files. I have to make clean first. I'm so sad. Gemini, please. Oh yeah, I just needed to do this. I needed to do that beforehand, so. I'm surprised it just didn't pick up on that. Where do I need to do that? I think here? Yeah, I need to move it though. No. Yeah, but I'm chilling. That's after. Okay. What the frick? Oh, is it up here? Allegedly fine. What the fuck did it name it now? God damn it. It's so fucking stupid, this naming scheme. Whatever. Red tree. Okay. Cool. So it did get all of it. Okay. I think that's all I have time for today, which kind of sucks. I didn't do a whole lot. But this shouldn't be that bad. It's just traversing all the files recursively. If we see a directory, we recurse on build tree and add that as an entry. Else we just do our hash object stuff, I think. So I don't think this is that bad. Okay. That's all the time I got for today. Just about 30 minutes. Tomorrow, yeah, I should be able to do a longer stream tomorrow. I'm gonna start early tomorrow as well, and then actually grind some shit out, but we'll see. All right, have a good rest of your day, guys. See you later. Bye. Or actually, join the Discord or connect with me on LinkedIn. Join the community. Okay, now bye.